Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This traditional and charming house lies in the highly sought after community of Hillcrest Avenue in the fast developing town of Mandeville. This family oriented home offers 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, study, TV room, living, dining, front and back porch, double car porch, and a bonus helper's quarters. Outdoor amenities includes large yard space for gardening, therapeutic landscapes, and indulging in the fruitful property. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $324,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.